What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Right now I just got to my brother's house and I'm gonna get to work on the engine. The engine is still sitting on the K-member. I'm gonna show you guys. So it's still sitting on the K-member. I got the cherry picker and we're gonna get it on the engine stand so we can start tearing all this apart and get it all cleaned out. I might paint the engine block, but I don't know yet for sure. But that's gonna be the contact for the for this video. We're gonna take intake, head, and we're gonna do the cam. We're gonna put different heads, and I got a different intake as well, and we're gonna get all this cleaned out. So all right, okay, now I'm about to take the harmonic balancer out. I got it all set in place. Already took the oil pan, the heads, the lifters. So yeah, so now I'm gonna get this out in order to take the to remove the timing cover, so that way I can get the block prep. Alright guys, this is how it looks. Yesterday I painted the engine block, put the base and the clear coat. I got everything in here that goes into the engine. I got 243 heads, got my oil pan, glove cover, gasket, push rods, got new timing, gear, oil pump. This is a high volume. Got a Texas speed, cam. You already seen this, the intake, and I got my long tube 178 headers. So now I'm about to start taking the oil pump and the timing chains off. To do that, there's 4 10mm, 3, and then in the back there's 4 more. They're all 10 millimeters. So. That I got the blade out. I got the 3 bolts out of the water pump. That's what I'm gonna use to hold the cam. And the camera's out now. Now I'm gonna get the one I got from Texas bit, and I'm gonna put it back in. Now that they're also nice and covered, I'm gonna put them in. Now the cam is in. I'm gonna take the bolts out and put the plate back. I think these are 10 millimeters too. I had to step out for a week, like a week and a half. I had to go to Texas, you know, to work. But I'm back, so I'm gonna continue with the with some cleaning, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install the heads. Well, first I'm gonna put the lifters, and then I'm gonna put the 243 heads. All right. Alright guys, I cleaned the where the lifter goes. I got as much as I could, and I got the lifters already on their trays. I got the Ls1 lifters from Michigan Motorsports. I sucked them in oil for I think like a minute, and before I install it, I'm gonna put some engine assembly lube. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them in there. I just put just a little bit, yeah, so it really lifts up. And I just go around them too as well. got the first 4 in. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. All right, guys, as you've seen, I already got the my head gasket. Oh, by the way, the lifter tray, I torqued it down to 106 inch, all 4 of them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set in place the head. There you go. For the bolts, I got some. I'm gonna show you. I got the ARP bolts for it. For right now, I'm just gonna use like 2 of them just to hold the head in place, and then I have to use the washer because I come with some washers. And the lubricant for the to get the exact torque on the bolts. But for right now, I'm just going to install 2 of them, and then I'm going to take them out. So the head doesn't. There you go. On the instructions for this, I recommend to get the lubricant right here in the thread, in the head, and in between the washer. Let me zoom in, see if the washer has like a little gap. That's where the bolt is gonna sit, like this. So I'll probably do it on a time lapse, and I'm gonna hold Alright guys, I got the bolts in. I was following this, you know, which is number 1, 2, 3, and the torque specs. I didn't use the 90 degrees and the 50. I just look on some other people what they did, and they do the 22 pounds first, then 50, and then up to 70. And the top bolt, it only goes to 22 foot-pounds. Now I got this BTR push rods. I don't know if you can see the number. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and Alright guys, as you've seen in the video, I tightened them all up to 22 foot-pounds torque. It's looking good so far. So now I'm about to put the belt covers that I made for them. So I'm gonna install those, and I even probably gonna install the intake. So yeah, so this is what's next. So overall, today I had a good day. I got the headers installed, I got the heads, got the intake manifold, and I got the water pump now sitting in here. Torque speeds for headers 30 pounds. I got this Expert Engineers 178. What you guys seen, my custom intake and belt covers. So I'm really tired. This is what I got done in like 6 hours, I'll say so. So tomorrow I'm gonna put the rest of the components, see if I can set it down in the K-member. So yeah, it looks really nice. I'm really happy.